Hey, greetings from Faulkner Fixes All. You guys probably like, dude, what's that guy doing now? Besides getting ready for selling a bunch of bikes for spring, I'm working at this little, it's like this little apartment cabin kind of deal. It's kind of like a house that was built next to another house that kind of, anyway, it needs a lot of work. And so we're in here messing around. Thought I'd show you some of my handiwork. I do actually do woodworking too. Okay, so these are a couple panels we're gluing up. These are all dry. I gotta unclamp these. Then I gotta take these other ones that I ran through the planer and joiner and glue those as well. And then they're going over here. See if we got some light in here for you. Oh, where is the lights here? Oh, there we go. Yeah. I think they're going over here in between the stove and cherry and walnut. You know, cherry, walnut, cherry, walnut, cherry, walnut. This sink is just placed in here for a template right now. I don't know if they're going to use that. They probably will, knowing the budget-friendly people they are. This panel I made the other day, it goes right here. That's also cherry. I just put that shelf in and no big deal on that. And then there's these little hidey holes in here. That's cherry. And that's cherry and walnut. And this should, if I put this polyway stuff on here, no promo, no, I'm not getting any money promoting this, but it's pretty good stuff. It's like food grade. It doesn't stink too bad. It's called polyway. And brings out the grain. We have yet to put this on because we don't have any. There's only a little bit left in there. And this needs to be sanded with 120. It's looking pretty good. This place was really a wreck when we first, it was really bad. The tenant just let things go. Anyway, this is all happy. I planed this the other day. It's wood throughout. It goes downstairs. There's some bedrooms down there. I don't know about this. I think I would have. This is there used to be a fireplace here. There's a chimney behind that, and it just looks kind of odd. I think I would try to match or put a faux window in there, or just, I don't know, that door leading to nowhere. It looks like something that they'd have in Washington, D.C. or something. Anyway, let's go in here, and we gutted the bathroom, and the same guy that did the tile at that barn job I was at is just finishing this up, and man, he is so good. He put the Schluter system in, kind of a faux travertine looking stuff, kind of cheap, but hey, it looks pretty good. If you would have saw this bathroom before, you would have been, it was pretty bad. The whole house was pretty bad. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Today we're gonna unclamp these and clamp that up. And yeah, it's kind of a nice view out here, you know. Oh wow, that's kind of a nice truck. Hey, so that's an update for Faulkner Fixes All. I've been a little bit busy. I will do some more bike videos coming up, and hey, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, you really should, because you know, you should. Have a good day.